Our Delta interface has an app switcher feature to make transitioning between other Sellercloud apps easy and seamless. You can access the app switcher by using the grid icon at the top of the screen. Clicking on the application's icon transports you to that app without needing to log in separately. This makes managing your company's operations super simple, because you don't need to jump between applications and manage many open browser tabs. You can also use this feature at a product level. Select your desired product and use the app switcher to access that same product on another app. You won't leave the page you switched from, and only the sidebar will change to application-specific navigation options. If you prefer Sellercloud's original interface, the app switcher makes that easy too. Simply click Switch to Original Design to access the interface. And when you're ready to get back to Delta, head back to the app switcher and click the Sellercloud icon. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to receive the latest updates and information. Contact us today to speak to a representative.